Hi all. So today we are going to discuss regarding testing methodologies. So in this, it's classified into three types: white box testing, black box testing, and gray box testing. Okay. So currently we are going to discuss. Mostly in this session we need to complete totally what is exactly white box testing. So what is white box testing? White box testing is nothing but before giving the application to the testing team, developers will conduct a testing on that application. The testing is done by the developers. Then we can call it as a white box testing. Okay, just I'm repeating again. Before giving the application to the testing team for the one application, they will conduct developers. After that, they will move that code into the. They will give the into only QA team. Okay, white box testing. It's mostly testing is done by the only developers, not by testers. If testing is done by the testers, then that the type of testing we can call as a black box testing. Okay, so white box testing is nothing but when before giving the application to the testing team, before only developers will conduct the testing on that application. Then only they will give the application into the our QA team. Okay, and here white box testing is classified again into two types. One unit testing and another one is integration testing. White box testing is classified into two types. One is unit testing and another one is integration testing. So now we have to discuss what is exactly unit testing. Unit testing is nothing but testing each and every part of the code by developer. I mean, a developer will conduct the testing on each and every code what they have written. In that, they will test it exactly in their code side, unlike unit testing. Unit testing is exactly testing each and every part of code by the developers only. They will test. Then the type of testing we can call as a unit testing. Testing each and every part of a code by the developers. Then we can call the type of testing is unit testing. Hope you it's clear. Testing each and every part of a code by the developers. That means every code, every line they will check in the unit testing. Then only they will do like integration testing and everything. Okay. Currently, now we have to discuss integration testing. What is exactly integration testing? Integration we can call integration testing or interconnector testing. Also they will ask sometimes interviewers what is integration testing. Instead of that, they will ask what is interconnector testing. They might be asked. Both are same. Integration testing is nothing but interconnector testing. Both are okay. So what is exactly integration or interconnector testing? Combining all parts of a code, then conduct the testing. Firstly, they have different types of models are there na. Login module and registration module, different types of model they will integrate. Then only they will conduct the testing. Then in the back end they will integrate the code. They will combine. Then only they will perform the testing. testing, I mean in integration testing also it's performed by only developers only. There is no involvement for the testing department. Okay, so just I'm writing here what is exactly integration testing. Combining all parts of the code, then only then conducting the conducting the testing by developers only, not testers. Okay, so this type of testing is we can call as the integration testing here. And I will speed up. Okay, here we have to note here, when 100% of coding and white box testing is completed, then only developers will give the application to the testing team. When 100% of integration testing is completed, then only code will move to testers only. Okay, this is the important, this is the, you can note it, note down. Okay, I will speed up. Yeah, here approaches or strategies of methodologies of integration testing. We have different types of approaches for the integration testing. Approaches, strategies, and methodologies of integration testing. So here we have different types of approaches are here. So one is the Big Bang approach. Okay, and another one is the incremental approach. Incremental. Okay, just I am writing speed. If any spell mistake, you can adjust. Okay, yeah, Big Bang approach and incremental approach. So what is exactly Big Bang approach? Big Bang approach is nothing but one will wait until all the models are ready and will integrate, then they will conduct the testing at a time finally. I will again repeat it again. One will wait till all the models are ready and then only they will integrate them all. Then only they will conduct the testing at the one time only finally. Okay, just for your understanding, just I am writing over here. One will wait till all the models are ready and then only will integrate them at a time finally. So in this Big Bang approach, what will be happen? So we have total seven models are there, for example. So seven when seven models completed, then only they will integrate all the 7 models. If one is not ready, they can't, okay, until ready for all. Until ready for all modules, then only they will do Big Bang approach. Okay, this is the important one. So this is related to Big Bang approach. So incremental approach here we have it's classified into in incremental approach we have a total different three types of approaches are there. One is the top up, one is the top down approach, second one is the bottom up approach, and the third one is the sandwich or hybrid approach. Okay, so we have to discuss everything with with examples. So here top down, what is exactly top down approach? Top down approach is nothing but the higher level of models are tested first, and then lower models are tested, then integrate that application. So I will show in figure. So this is the top up top down approach related diagram. So here we have one module is here. So this is the parent module, you can assume like that. So model 2, model 3, these 2 and 3 models are sub modules for the model 1, am I right? And 4, 5, 6 are the sub modules for the 2 and 3. So firstly top down, from top to bottom we have to test. Okay, firstly we have to test the model 1, model 2, model 3. Then after only they need to go model 4, model 5, model 6. We are testing from top to bottom. Here, arrow also you can able to see arrow. So we have to model 1, model 2, model, then only this type of testing we can, this type of approach we can call it as a top down approach. This is the most important one. And bottom up approach, it's the same. We can bottom to top we can able to test over here. Initially at the start we have to testing on module 1, module 4, module 5, module 6. Then only we have to test module 2, module 3, and module 1. It's a reverse direction, it's the reverse of the top down approach. Bottom up approach means, so firstly lower level of models only they will test, then only higher models of models they will test, then they will integrate. The type of approach we can call as a bottom up approach. So here hybrid or sandwich means they will do the testing both, from top to bottom they will integrate, then only they will test from top to bottom and top, bottom to top. In this the combination of both top down and bottom up approach we can call it it's as a hybrid or sandwich approaches. Okay, these are the important topics, and we have stub and drivers also. We have to close that with the topic with that explanation. Okay, so here just I'm giving writing over here the what is exactly top down approach and bottom up and sandwich. Okay, I will complete soon. So top up, the higher level of modules are tested first, and then lower level of modules are tested, then integrate. Okay, this is nothing but top down. The higher level of models are tested first, and then lower level of models are tested. Then they will integrate that application. Okay, same. It's a reverse to the for the bottom up approach. The higher level of models I'm here. The lower level of models are tested first, and then higher level of models are tested, then integrate. So sandwich is nothing but the combination of both top down and up. The combination of both top down and bottom up approaches. We can call it as sandwich or hybrid approach. Okay, then we have to I mean it's important one. Then if it is closed, we can close the session as of now. So stub and driver. These two are very, 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 very important. Stub and driver. Okay. What is exactly stub? While integrating the module in the top-down approaches, you have to carefully here. Both are same but different. Only one word will be changed. The difference is for the driver and stub. Okay. While integrating the model in the top-down approach, if there is any mandatory model is missed, then that module is replaced with a temporary program. You have to must use that word temporary program. Then then we can call it as a stub. And driver is nothing but it's opposite. When integrating the model in the bottom up approach, first one is the top up approach, here is the bottom up approach. If there is any mandatory model is missed, then that model is replaced with a temporary program known as a driver. Okay, just here I will give here text here, then you can understand it. While, and please subscribe and comment and share for me to support me. I will do more videos. It's to encourage encouragement only me. Just I'm trying initially. Okay, while integrating the module, sorry, while integrating the module in the top up approach. This is the most important. Okay, if there is any mandatory module is missed, then that module is replaced with a temporary program known as stub. Okay, here small difference is only stub and driver. It's a stub. I mean, we can assume like the slab. I mean, slab means top na. So like that, you can assume here. Then only you can able to I mean, you unable to confuse anything here. So here, same while integrating the model in the bottom up, bottom up approach. So stub is nothing but when important models are there na. So if any misroute there na, so they will replacement with any temporary program. Then we can now it as a stub, and in the if it is happen in any bottom up approach, we can call it as a driver. Okay, so these two are the important one, and everything is important. This is total come under the white box testing. So it's totally conducted by the only by developers only. They will do testing. Okay, over here by developers testing happen. Okay, here by black box testing, it's a total by I mean here just a small example by using I mean by the testers only testing the application. That's nothing but we can call it as a black box testing. Gray box testing is nothing but the combination of both white and black box testings. Okay, so mostly we will black box testing, we have different types of scenarios in there. We have to like system testing, system integration testing, and functional testing, non-functional testing, UAT testing, alpha testing, beta testing. We have to discuss everything in next class.